Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today, in this training video, I will tell you about Auto Upload Settings window and its usage in DMS. The objectives of this training is to understand following. What is in Auto Upload Settings window? What is the purpose of it? How to configure Auto Upload settings and email attachment settings. How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. Auto Upload Settings. The Auto Upload Settings screen is divided into two sections. Auto Upload Settings, Email Attachment Settings. Auto Upload Settings. This section allows users to automatically upload documents from a hosted server to the DMS, Document Management System. To do this, the user provides the folder path on the hosted server from where the documents will be uploaded, and the folder path in the DMS, where the documents should be stored. Email Attachment Settings. In this section, users can configure their email settings. Once configured, any documents received as attachments on the specified email account are automatically uploaded to the DMS. Let's go through these settings one by one through training video. Please log in to system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open Auto Upload Settings window from the menu. Click on New Record button to configure the Auto Upload settings. This screen is divided into two sections: Auto Upload Settings and Email Attachment Settings. Let us discuss these settings one by one. First section is Auto Upload Settings. First field is Tenant and Organization. These fields are already entered based on the login details, but the user can change the organization from the drop-down. Next field is Server Folder Path. The user enters the server folder path, which indicates the directory location on a server where files or documents are stored. Next field is DMS Folder. Select the path of the folder within the DMS that specifies where the document should be uploaded during the automatic upload process. Next field is Document Category. Select the document category from the drop-down, which indicates that whenever the documents are uploaded to the DMS through the automatic upload process, the selected document category will be attached. Next field is Keep Version. The user selects the option from the drop-down to handle the duplicity of documents in selected folder. By default, keep version as if document exists. Then Create New Version is selected, but the user can change it from the drop-down. There are three options as follows. If document exists, then return. This option will return the document without uploading if the system finds a document with same name in the same folder. It will display an error message in the Upload Document History screen indicating document exists already. If document exists, then create new document. If any duplicate document found, then system will upload the document and append the date and time with new document name. If document exists, then create new version. In this option, the system will create a new version of the existing document if the document is already available. Next field is Sync Subfolder. Enabling this checkbox allows the system to include and upload all subfolders and their documents from the hosted server. When disabled, only the main folder's files will be uploaded. Second section is Email Attachment Settings. First field is Select Email Configuration. Select the email configuration from the drop-down. The options displayed here are based on the configurations set up on the mail configuration screen. For setup, please refer to the email configuration video. The selected configuration determines which email account attachments will be automatically uploaded to the DMS. Next field is Mail Fetch from Date. Select the date and time to upload only the documents received via email after the selected date and time to the DMS. Next field is Email Attachment DMS Folder. Select the path of the folder within the DMS that specifies where the document will be uploaded during the email attachment process. Next field is Email Attachment Doc Category. Select the document category from the drop-down, which indicates that whenever the documents are uploaded to the DMS through the email upload process, the selected document category will be attached. Next field is Email Attachment Keep Version. The user selects an option from the dropdown to manage the duplicity of documents in selected folder. This option is working in the same manner as document from server. Next field is Read Non-Attachment Email. Enabling this checkbox will upload all non-attachment emails also. For non-attachment email, subject of the email will be document name and text. In the body of the email will upload as a document in TXT extension file type. Additionally, there are other settings available that are common for both sections, including first field is Allowed File Type. If the user wants to upload only the specific types of documents to the DMS, they can define the file type in the Allowed File Type field. Only files matching the specified types will be uploaded. Rest will not be uploaded. Next field is Active. This tells the record is active and ready to be used by system. Click on Save button to save the changes. Thank you.